the liver. Beautiful, beautiful place.
Stretched out.
Yeah, I'm sorry, like that. Yeah. Oh, McKinn! That was the other fight. He's been a lot more aware in this fight of not getting over his skis.
And some of it is because Astrolabe kept him on.
Good straight shot. That is it. Referee wants no more with the 5th knockdown of this fight.
Sa pagbabalik ng tinaguriang Acero ngayong taon, muling nakaranas ng mabigat na pagkatalo si Vincent Astrolabio mula sa mga kamay ng undefeated na Hapon na si Katsuma Akitsugi. Isang serye ng matutulis na body shots ang naging dahilan upang tuluyang mapatiklop ang Acero ng Pilipinas. 5 beses na bumagsak si Astrolabio sa laban na ito, malinaw na senyales ng tindi ng pinsalang tinamo niya sa katawan. Ang Hapon na si Katsuma Akitsugi ay kasalukuyang may malinis na kartada na 14 na panalo kung saan 4 dito ay natapos sa pamamagitan ng knockout. Samantala, si Vincent Astrolabio naman ay may record na 20 panalo at 5 talo at 15 sa kanyang mga panalo ay galing sa knockout. Matatandaan na natalo rin si Astrolabio noong Hulyo 2024 laban sa isa pang Hapon, si Junto Nakatani, sa laban na sanay para sa WBC World Title.
対するは1位の指名挑戦対戦第1ラウンドが始まりました。グローブが中谷潤です。いつも通り大きな構えを見せています。白い、そして赤いグローブ挑戦者のヴィンセント。アストロラビア。左から入って。
そうですね。スタートはこう、スタートからいいタイミングで
右の使い方がまた独特ですね。
右もうまいんで出しますし、あとフックもありますからね。
そうさせるような、そんな形も見せます。でちょっと前に手を出してね、山中さん、ちょっと、
今のねワンツーのタイミングも。
もう一回左のストレート近く。アストロラビアも来ます。タイミングが違う。
微妙にずれてるからこそもう
距離が詰まったところにアストロラビアのパンチ。中谷選手タイミングはいいですよね。手ながら戦いたいですね。ガードが怖いですから。
気をつけ。開始前の顔見てたらいい意味で余裕。
受けてるんじゃないですか、アストロラビア。
そうです。
左に入ると中に入らないとちょっと勝負にならないというふうに言われて
抑えれてますよね。
なるほど。でも山中さん、
ファイトはいないですけど、
左のストレート。
アストロラビアをするとやりにくさは感じてるでしょうね。
ここから回してきました。右のフックから。
距離とこの前の邪魔。
ヒート。苦しそうだ。立ち上がれそうもない。実の表情だ。立ち上がれるかどうか。さあどうか。いやダメだダメだ。アウトボール。どうでしょうか。
Sa laban na iyon, maagang tinapos ni Nakatani ang sagupaan sa pamamagitan ng isang matulis na straight punch sa katawan. Halos kaparehong paraan ng pagkatalo niya kay Akitsugi ngayon. Tila na ulit ang kasaysayan para kay Vincent Astrolabio. Parehong Hapon, parehong suntok sa katawan, parehong mapait na resulta. Ngayon silipin natin ang buong highlights ng laban ni Vincent Astrolabio laban kay Katsuma Akitsugi na ginanap sa RP Funding Center sa Lakeland, USA.
Katsuma Akitsugi in the tricolores along with the blue. Japanese flag on the right, tricolores on the left.
And they're
Astrolabio in the gold and white.
They're listed at the same height, but Akitsugi.
Astrolabio from General Santos City, same hometown as Manny Pacquiao, who's with the Pacquiao camp at Wildcard. Akitsugi, yeah.
Well, it's hardest, but what it's done is it done consistently off of tough to anticipate punches.
And also the change of speed.
Yeah.
The change of speed and rhythm.
Exactly. That's part of the.
Top said his hand speed was like a swarm of bees. Like no one punch hurt you necessarily, but it was just kind of all over you at the same time. Akitsugi, very much that kind of style. No one punch, but like this.
Khan was like that. It wasn't any particular punch. It was like, man, it's like overwhelming with that kind of speed. It's almost different. I feel like that tires you out more because you're sprinting. These.
You know when to go and coast, right?
You're not revving. Even though you're punching, you're not revving the engine. I feel like Calzaghe and Khan, and even
no one would know better than you, Chris.
Yeah, I mean the guy never needed the rest. But watch for Akitsugi. He was cut in his last fight. Oh, there's an explosiveness from the Filipino.
And was that a clash of heads as well, if I remember correctly?
I believe it was, yes. Right on cue, we start talking about Manny Pacquiao, and we start seeing how explosive Astrolabio is.
Yeah, he's looking for the big shot there again.
Yep. There it is again, big shot.
Yeah, you see, he flies in like a la Manny.
Sa unang round, nagsukatan muna ang dalawa. Maganda ang naging simula ni Vincent Astrolabio. Kontrolado niya ang distansya at agresibo ang kanyang galaw. Pero pagdating sa round 2, unti-unti nang nakahanap ng butas si Katsuma Akitsugi. Sa katawan ni Astrolabio, dito na niya sinimulang targetin ang katawan na halatang pinaghandaan niya. Mukhang napag-aralan talaga ni Akitsugi ang mga nakaraang laban ni Astrolabio. Kaya't pareho ang naging diskarte niya, sirain muna ang depensa at pagurin sa body shots ang Pinoy fighter.
And another counter up top.
That was partially blocked off of Akatsugi's gloves there. I like how Akatsugi, see how he cuts off the ring and tries to keep that mental pressure on you.
Ooh, body shot!
Oh, what a shot!
Right on the liver. Beautiful. Beautifully placed.
As he's throwing
Stretched
the
out. Yep. You see the redness on his ribcage already.
Trying to take a deep breath, but plenty of time left in round number 2.
Man, we talk about power. You don't need power when you got timing, man.
Oof. And remember, Akatsugi's friend with Nakatani said he spoke to him about this fight as well. So
A little bit.
15 KOs and 20 wins, and has been at world-class level.
Doing well with that straight left hand is Akatsugi. Astrolabio, after being dropped, will make it through round number 2.
Bago matapos ang round 2, nabulaga si Astrolabio sa matutulis na body shots ni Akitsugi. Pagpasok ng round 3, doble ingat na si Astrolabio. Ngunit mas pinaigting pa ni Akitsugi ang kanyang atake, mabilis na kombinasyon mula sa itaas at sa ibaba.
Attack. Nothing super strong or super speedy, but again, creative and timing-wise.
But also, he makes you run.
Well, welcome to Southern California, where you're going to have a lot of Mexican fighters. And, you know, Akatsugi talked about wanting that ranking. He wants to get into the top 15.
And we talked a lot about Akatsugi getting into that flow state. He's setting traps.
And exactly, so right there, he's touching, holding his ground, seeing what kind of reaction he's going to get.
He looks like he's analyzing, like he's AI out there. He's collecting data.
The trouble with that straight left hand. As soon as he's getting in like that, even when his hands are up, he looks prepared.
As soon as he gets the wrong reaction, he's looking to shoot the left hand in different ways.
But also notice how he moves that right hand, does Akatsugi, bit of Alexander Usyk with that lead right hand. Keeps that thing moving, almost like a snake charmer.
Sa pagpasok ng round 4, sinubukan ni Astrolabio na makipagsabayan. Maganda ang simula niya sa round na ito, agresibo at determinado. Pero sa kalagitnaan ng round, muling nanaig ang lakas at taktika ng Hapon. At bago matapos ang round, nagpakawala si Akitsugi ng matitinding kombinasyon at isang matulis na body shot. Resulta, dalawa na namang knockdown ang naitala sa round na ito.
He's energetic, he's trying to change the pace of this fight.
But Akatsugi's answering, and especially going to the body.
And now Akatsugi can answer more consistently because there's more creativity, more shot selection to him. Astrolabio throws everything hard, so he looks to save it up.
Not much. Still not good.
No, there's
Nice
a little blood on the other side of the eye. I don't know if that's from this cut or if there's a new cut.
I think part of the reason he's susceptible to cuts is also because he's a southpaw. And being a left-hander, you end up taking more headbutts. But again, having aggressive guys in front of you can also create more clashes of heads.
But also, Paulie, he's so busy with both hands that the hands aren't home that much. He really uses his head movement as defense.
Again, good shot selection by Akatsugi, real creative.
That body shot bothered him.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, I didn't like that. Yeah.
Oh, again!
That was the other side.
Yep. This time to the left. Working both sides of the ribs. It was a liver shot last time.
Akatsugi's cut on both eyes here.
Yeah, he's got a little cut over the left eye now, too.
He's got a good cut man, though. Big Starita's a real good cut man. So
but Akatsugi trying to make this academic right now.
Again, he's got to not get ahead of himself.
Second knockdown of the fight.
Oh, Astrolabio's hurt.
Astrolabio's very uncomfortable here with the doesn't take it to the body. Well, Nakatani stops him to the body and clearly
another body shot.
Akatsugi's going for the same.
2 knockdowns in round number 4, 30 seconds left.
Man, he gets this stoppage. That's very impressive. Just got to be careful, though. Astrolabio still has that power.
Referee just said one more and fight's over.
Good amount of time left. 20 seconds.
Astrolabio's going to be looking
Good right hand from Astrolabio.
Yeah, he's going to be looking to shoot some big shots.
Oh, nice uppercut. Rocks Astrolabio.
That hurt him. Good combination.
God, we can hear those body shots
Seconds left in round 4.
Oh.
He's going to make it by the skin of his teeth.
And he does.
Isang mapanganib na sandali, muntikan nang di makatapos sa round na iyon si Astrolabio. Pansin na nasaktan pero nanatiling determinado pa rin ang Pinoy fighter. Pagpasok ng round 5, pilit pa rin na baguhin at mag-adjust si Astrolabio.
Stoppage. Oh, nice uppercut.
And talk about looking better and better, gentlemen. Akatsugi looking fantastic tonight.
Yeah, he's fought on our air. I think this is his 3rd fight in a row. He's impressed each and every time. Akatsugi pulled back, left hand over the top.
But Astrolabio right now almost looks like he's punching in mud. Like he can just see the punches coming.
Well, he takes a deep breath every time they separate. Oh.
Flash of heads there.
That time Akatsugi was in the middle of his forehead, so doesn't seem like any
But you see
threat.
Astrolabio again.
Hey, a veteran like Astrolabio is going to take every chance he can to get back in this fight.
You can see whenever they get close, he's worried about his body.
Another ripping body shot.
This is what I mean about Akatsugi. He's getting stoppages, but it's not like his power is increasing. He's just sharper. He's getting better, and he's beating guys up. And that's how he's getting the stop.
I don't knock you out, but I hurt you.
Yeah, well,
I hurt you when I punch you. And Akatsugi's another one of those guys. He hurts you. Doesn't always get the knockout, but
you don't have to be a hard puncher to hurt a guy to the body. You just got to be accurate and creative with it. Another creative, different moves. Sometimes he's measuring, sometimes he's snapping it.
Oh,
good body shot there.
Leaping body shot.
Astrolabio.
Deep shot right to the navel.
Sa ika-6 na round, nanatiling kontrolado ang ritmo ng laban. Matatag pa rin ang depensa ni Astrolabio. Halos hindi bumababa ang kanyang guard. Ngunit sa kabila nito, patuloy na nakakahanap ng butas si Akatsugi. Madalas pumapasok ang kanyang mabibigat na body shots na unti-unting nagpapabagal sa galaw ng kalaban.
Yeah, that's that falling cross. You know, Astrolabio does it from the right hand stance. Pacquiao does it from the left hand stance.
Oh, nice.
Check hook there from
Astrolabio coming in. That lead hook.
That's the negative of
little angle just seems to get right in between the gloves.
You're not gonna move. You're just gonna put your gloves up. Right, so I'll punch around it. I'll punch between.
Oh, he doubles the left hand, then he comes up with that lead uppercut, then he brings it down to the body. There's that body shot again.
And him down again.
Great shot again. He caught him throwing his own shot. Caught him while throwing.
4th knockdown of the fight. Under a minute left to go in round number 6.
4th knockdown, all body shots.
Incredible.
Astrolabio's gutsy guy.
Literally.
Yeah, his guts are killing him right now.
Faking him out, going high.
But also, he's getting hit to the head a lot, too, now, because now he's really just protecting his body. Akatsugi's being smart. He's not going to the well too much.
Yeah, and also respecting the countering power of Astrolabio.
Oh, that one hurt again. Liver side.
10 seconds left. Ooh, another dominant round for Akatsugi.
Just too much game.
Too much.
Sa ika-7 round, ang huling yugto ng laban, dito na tuluyang bumigay si Astrolabio. Sa kalagitnaan ng round, hindi na niya nakayanan ang sunod-sunod na atake ni Akatsugi at napilitang tumiklop, tanda ng pagwawakas ng bakbakan.
But he comes back, Astrolabio does.
He throws back just enough to stay in this fight. Those body shots are absolutely chopping the tree down.
I just looked at the corner. There's nothing about throwing in the towel. No.
Good sharp combination. Might get a stoppage here anyway, gentlemen.
Yeah, he might be able to force it from the ref. I mean, he's phenomenal shape too.
Also, when you've gotten 4 knockdowns in the fight, you know you're ahead. It's almost like, okay, we're gonna keep going rounds. I can relax and you know, just let my boxing style flow here.
It turns into one of those sparring sessions.
You know, it's important you also stay true to your style, you know, and Akatsugi, if you're going to remain in this fight, you're working on things, right? And one of the things Akatsugi always has to work on is not to get too reckless, not to get too over-aggressive as he's you know, performing, because he's not the biggest puncher.
Yeah, but I'd say I've seen that this fight. He's been a lot more aware in this fight of not getting over his skis.
And some of it is because Astrolabio kept him out.
Straight shot, and that is it.
That's it.
Referee wants no more with the 5th knockdown of this fight.
Panalo si Katsuma Akitsugi sa pamamagitan ng impresibong TKO sa ika-7 round. Isang matinding tagumpay na tiyak na magbibigay ng bagong direksyon sa kanyang karera. Ngunit ang tanong, ano ang susunod na hakbang para sa Pinoy fighter? Makakaahon pa kaya si Vincent Astrolabio mula sa pagkatalong ito o tuluyan ng lulubog ang kanyang karera? Abangan natin ang susunod na kabanata sa buhay ng mga magigiting na mandirigmang Pinoy.
Declaring the winner by way of technical knockout. Still undefeated, el cohete japonesito, Katsuma Akitsugi.